Hi everyone, I'm Ani Razarian from Neptune AI and we're at the AI Engineer World's Fair today. I have Sam Julien with me today from Ryder. Hi Sam, so could you introduce yourself and share a few words about your background? How did you end up in Ryder?
Sure, yeah. So I'm Sam Julien. I am the Director of Developer Relations for Ryder. We're a full stack enterprise AI platform. We build our own LLMs, we build our own RAG system, and provide a bunch of developer tools on top of that. So I've been in developer relations for about 7 years. I was Director of Developer Relations at Auth0 by Okta, and then I joined Ryder about 2 years ago, or 2 months ago, actually. It feels like 2 years, but it's been 2 months. So.
It is. I mean, in
The
AI,
space is,
2 months
like,
is
moving so
yeah. Agree. So could you share a bit more about the product and what do you guys do?
Yeah. So we have this platform called AI Studio, basically, where we make it really easy for developers to build AI applications on top of our models and our system for RAG. And so we have a Python framework for building UI super fast. It's drag and drop, then with Python in the back end. And then an API, and then SDKs for Python and TypeScript. And then we also have this other side of the business, which is like no-code tools for business users. So we really can enable builders across the enterprise to build AI applications super fast. Yeah.
And what are the biggest challenges that you guys are facing right now?
I mean, we're just keeping up with demand. I mean, like enterprises are so hungry for solutions-driven AI, and that's exactly what we're providing. And so, yeah, we've got customers in healthcare, finance, retail, and we're trying to help them go from, instead of trying to build applications in 6 months, we're helping them build applications in days or weeks. Like get them to deployment, get them to production. So yeah, we're just like trying to add features fast enough to keep up with the demand of our customers, and it's a really good problem to have.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. And what do you think are the challenges in LLM that will remain unsolved within the next 2 or 3 years?
I think one thing that's really hard about LLMs is just the non-deterministic nature of them. It's very hard to, for a lot of developers, we're used to being able to like put an input in and get exactly the same output out every time.
Yeah.
And that's extremely difficult with LLMs. Like whether you're doing, it's
Yeah.
basically impossible because they're sort of like mimicking humans in a way. And so that makes it really hard to test. And I was just talking to one of our engineers who works on our RAG system, and he was saying how, like, just that life of like trying to test these AI systems, it's difficult, because it's just so non-deterministic. You're sort of always having to gauge for fault tolerance and things like that, So yeah, that's I think the biggest one.
Awesome. And any bets that you have for the future within the LLM space?
Well, I mean, I think it's pretty clear that we're moving towards like agents and, sort of agentic systems and all of that. It seems pretty clear though that it's still kind of a wild west in terms of like how we define agents and how they communicate and all of that stuff. So I'm hoping we'll see some amount of consensus on that. But it's going to be like an exciting time to figure out like how that goes, Yeah.
Thank you, Sam. If there's anything else you'd like to share with our audience, this is the time.
Yeah, I mean, we would love for you to try out AI Studio. We have $50 in free API credits. You can go to our website and sign up and try it out. We just launched this product. We've been around for about 4 years, but this platform is new. We launched it earlier this month. So we'd love for you to go try it out, give us feedback, let us know. I'm running DevRel, so I want your feedback. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks so much.